Welcome back to the second InDesign tutorial video. This one is about the grids and how to use them. Now, I've gone ahead and I've got a document ready. It's an A5 document. You can do this on any document. So, without further info, let's get into this. So, you'll see in InDesign it's set up like this because this is the typography workspace. And what I've got here is the pages panel. So up top, there's the pages panel. You'll see it says none, A master, and it shows me my pages. So if I go and create a ton of pages, let's do 7. Now, there is a simple way you can create a grid, which is go up to layout, create guides. I always set it to margins and preview. Change the gutter to 0. This to 40 if you're on A5, that other gutter to 3 and that to 8 is what I used to use a lot. And you see, you get a grid that's fit into the margin. If you go to a page, you see it doesn't exactly look right. That's where you'd have to adjust all them. So fitting it to a margin, you skip out this outside part and you've only got what's in this little pink box. But you see, it's not on every single page, and there's actually a trick that helps you to put a grid on all the pages. And what that is, it's using the master page, because yeah, you can go through and put it on every single page, but let's say you're doing some form of book or some form of a design project for, like, I don't know, college, uni, school, whatever it is. You don't really want to be doing that. You want to save as much time as possible. So, way to do that is double click where it says A master. So you get these two pages. You're now on A master, as you can see it's highlighted. Go up to layout, create guides, and then enter them in. You don't have to use the same grid. This is just what I used when I was in college. I used a 40 by 8. So now you see, if I click OK, I go back here. We've got it on the first page, second and third, fourth and fifth, sixth and seventh. Really simple, no other tools needed. And let's say you didn't want a grid on a certain page, which I don't know why you wouldn't, but if you didn't, go up to where it says none, click on that page, and drag it on top of the page you don't want the grid on. So you can see it's kept on there, but it's gone off of page 1. So really simple, quick and easy. Then, let's say you want that grid back, just Command Z. Obviously do that after you've put none on, so like that. Don't go and edit some stuff, then press Command Z, or else you're going to lose everything you've edited. If you decide you want that grid on, Command Z straight away. But it's really simple, and then all you have to do, create type tool. Let me just put in here. The text I'm going to use, change the font, resize it. Now if I'm careful, I'm going to show you just how well this grid actually works. So I've got 3 tutorials. Now if I bring it to 26 for that one, I know it just goes over by the tiniest little bit, but as you can see, you can either get it to where it's between the gutters going across, or you can get it to sit on one of the rows. Depends on what font you use, but sometimes you might end up with this. So if I go like that and I just say I put them at 24, you see they're so close. The leading, you might end up with like that. So just adjust that so you're happy. If you want it to sit on each line, you're gonna have to do it separately. And essentially what you get is something that looks like that. Now they only look different because they're 3 different sizes. You can see you can either have it like that, or you can change it however you want. But grids, they can be useful because what you can do is you can get the shapes and easily lay it out. So let's say I was designing an A5 book, image there, but I wanted to style it like an old newspaper. Text, text. So if we bring the text to there, this text all the way down here. I'm not actually going to put text in because this would take way too long to do. And I go here, so you can just lay it out like this. Just change the colour so you can actually see them. Change that to green, and that one to green. So if I turn off the grid, I know these boxes aren't exactly level, but I'd have an image in the blue, text in the green, and it all links up to the grid. So it's really that simple. If you guys have found, helpful information during this little tutorial, please stay tuned. I'm going to try and aim for 2 a week, might be 1 a week, depending on what I'm doing. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Do drop a like, comment and subscribe. Tell others about this, and we'll keep rolling these. I'll also put a link to where you can submit ideas and stuff you'd like to see. Right, I'll see you guys in the next video.